Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this radical equation. Solution: root of x plus 8 plus root of x plus 1 equal to 7. What we do, we take one of the radicals to the right hand side. That is root of x plus 8 equal to 7 minus root of x plus 1. Next step, we square both sides. When we square both sides, we have root of x plus 8 all squared equals to 7 minus root of x plus 1 all squared. Next step, in algebraic identity, whenever we have a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then when we continue, the left hand side square, we cancel the square root, left with x plus 8 equals, we use the algebraic identity for the right hand side. When we square 7, we have 49 minus 2ab, meaning 2 times 7 times the root, which will give us 2 times 7 gives us 14, root of x plus 1. Then the last one is b squared. B squared meaning we square the root. Square, cancel the square root, left with x plus 1. Now we collect the like terms. First, we move minus 14 root of x plus 1 to the left hand side to become positive. Then we have 14 root of x plus 1 equal to, we retain 49 plus x plus 1. Then we move x plus 8 to the right hand side. We have minus x minus 8. If we continue, we have 14 root of x plus 1 gives us 42 plus x, cancel minus x, then the left hand side remains 42. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of square root of x plus 1, which is 14. When we divide both sides by 14, we have 14 root of x plus 1 all over 14 equal to 42 all over 14. 14, we cancel 14, left with root of x plus 1 equal to 7 into 14 gives us 2. 7 into 42 gives us 6. 2 here, 1. 2 into 6, 3. So we are having 3. Now, to remove the square root, we square both sides again. When we square both sides, we have root of x plus 1 all squared equal to 3 squared. Square, we cancel square root, left with x plus 1 equal to 9. When we collect like terms, plus 1, we cross the sign of equality, it becomes x equals to 9 minus 1. X becomes 8 as the answer. Next, we have to check if our answer is correct. Then we write check. We write the original equation, which is root of x plus 8 plus root of x plus 1 equal to 7. Now put x equal to 8. When we substitute x equal to 8 to the original equation, we are having root of 8 plus 8 plus root of 8 plus 1 equal to 7. Root of 8 plus 8 gives us 16 plus root of 8 plus 1, which is root 9, will it give us 7? Root of 16 is 4 and root of 9 is 3 equals to 7. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 equal to 7. Our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.